ஆமா என்னது அது 65 தான் சொல்றேன். Sorry.
No issue. So app anything you can do. App is straightforward. Okay.
So how is connecting with the YouTube?
I will take this two protocols. One RTMP, another RTSP. RTSP is to set up a lot of things, and then we can send a requirement query to this, and from there we can fetch data. But limitation with RTSP is in India, no hardware is available where RTSP is available for the card. RTSP is dead for us. If you want to go ahead with RTSP, we need to put a Wi-Fi dongle as well along with it. With RTSP, on the other hand, we can get the SIM card. So what I've done here, you can see, I set up some RTSP protocol. This RTSP, you can see URL. I set up this, the same RTSP setting, I did in the camera settings. So I set the same URL and the QR keys and all everything here. I set up it. So the moment I will run this URL, then it will start fetching the data from me.
Okay.
If I pause, then not.
So you'll be seeing live recording only.
Some 5-10 second delay comes because of internet and all that. I'm able to see.
Okay. This is only a line tracing. Instead of a person you are putting camera, nothing. It will not do any analytical. There is no.
It will not this means the other camera will do this. This is our eyes there. Let's say I want to tell somebody. Line to set it somewhere else. If something is going on, immediately there is an option. Like we can integrate everything there. This is a two-way communication. I communicate ourselves to that. From there also you can hear what.
Even from camera I can speak.
You can speak from camera and you can speak from there.
Yeah.
From here and you can speak to two-way channel you can connect. And this has PT so I can control the angle and other things.
ESS cloud, no?
Huh?
ESE cloud. Only. I can speak, they can speak. This PT set.
PT is some local company, right?
Yeah, no.
So these do not come with this, any of the ITM.
Yeah.
So this is the requirement what we want to do, right? We have established a protocol. Especially that developers are working to build a okay. Now, actually, along with it, there are some other options as well. Suppose that app I told you, for that also we are scaling from there onwards. So I am tracking there. Sunday I am leaving, entire next week I will be there. Proceed is also going to be because once we set up the process and we estimate entire training and for all the supervisors and other things. So we are going through that. So what we wanted is when I am going there, so along with it, we will do stamina the setup as a training as well.
And this is going to fit in the same trolley one, the weighing scale. One mobile phone will be there.
Hitesh? Sorry, you were saying.
Yeah, so in the same weighing scale, above you are putting a camera. Along with that, this camera also needs to be mounted.
Correct.
And it is movable or what?
That is stand. That is like that we fixed it. I will prove.
Convent location only.
That is we fixed it. This morning. For line supervisor, we will do the SOP like this. We go to the line, attend, mount the phone, start the video, attend this camera, turn buy a company with it. Let's say something happen on our phone, we need to check the basics. But we will put maybe some 64 GB or something because I want 1 to 2 data, not more than that. Okay. Right now, I want to test the camera, memory card, anyway. I can do it, put in later as well. So, this we need. And
tell me, you're eliminating the operator. You need to be near to the machine, the waiting area. It will be there. But anyways, you need to see the camera, no?
That's what I'm saying. How if something is going wrong, that other phone is putting, right? And monitoring that all the boxes, anything goes wrong, it immediately there are error message. What server?
Okay, what are the errors? How that error can be reached to this camera? So those errors, how you are teaching to this camera?
Not to this camera. This camera is for monitoring.
Okay, that mobile will be triggered.
Mobile. Yes. Like this, we are good. Like this, we get error. So, for example, this error came. This is yesterday's customer. There is no data. This app is not giving any data. So now phone is not giving any data. Operation stops. The app stops. Something wrong. Immediately I can see a check.
Okay, so once the error is triggered from the mobile phone, then you can go through the camera.
Correct. Okay. Later on we have scope also because I am getting the one few pages also I can put some errors.
So that mobile phone and camera cannot be integrated in common device.
Both are independent device only.
What will be the cost of the camera? Mobile?
Mobile are 1.5 years back we bought it for some other information only. We were using it, so now we have repurposed those devices here. Right now that is I think 41,000 on Flipkart phone. Because for that we need some processing power and all those things. That's needed. That costs. There are it's
like a single mobile phone only, no? Okay. 1 second. ஆமா 16 சதுர வீடா சார் 16 சதுர வீடா
लोग है ना कर लेते हैं जबरदस्ती ट्रैफिक बढ़ाना ये गणेश तेरे से बात कोल्ड स्टोरेज ऑप्शन चाहिए उसके रिगार्डिंग बैठ कर लंबा चलेगा कुछ और आराम से बैठ के टिकट यही करेंगे
बिल्डिंग ஒன்னு இதுதான் வரும் அந்த போட்டாங்க ஒரு அமௌண்ட் வந்து ஒரு அமௌண்ட் வந்து மொத்தமா பேசுங்க அதுக்கப்புறம் சொல்லிட்டு கரெக்ட் அதேதான் 66 இல்லைங்க, 66 அப்படியே பேசிட்டு அனுப்பிடுவாங்களே. இப்போ அவங்க லோனு கேட்க சொல்லி அனுப்பிடுவாங்க. What is doing that video? Moving video?
So I told you about one of the products is already live. So this meat orchard app, orchard app, what to do? Similar delivery. I told him make a video. That's making a video. This is a video.
Okay.
This video is working in the farm. This is a red box.
This is live recorded.
No, this is
Recorded. Okay. Okay.
This is the recording. The tool is detecting the fruits. Those fruits. We are detecting the date, color, quality, all this.
When simply passing, it is recording all things. Okay.
Size, depth, clarity, color.
How is the accuracy?
So
when simply crossing, it is recording all the things.
tool accuracy is around 90%.
Great. Excellent. Just you are passing in a second. Yeah. Okay. Then what you are doing after this?
No, I told you, no, we have put a lot of checks and balances. If anything goes wrong, we get again this some SOP verification. When error comes, immediately I get a flag. So if there's some error came, I need to check what went wrong. When we can't share wrong to the phone.
So just tell me in the mobile phone, what are the parameters checking? The mobile phone.
Leading in fact at both Aditya is one of the senior developers. The entire banana wala so this app what we do, so basically the moment that the phone comes up, the trade package packer will not okay wait, so now entire video putting it recorded. It's based on this image only, on image AI model is trained multiple data. It is detecting okay how many were there and how many in this called premium percentage, which is in this rates are 4 hand, 5 hand, 7 hand, 8 hand, and 3 hand. 4 hand means
only 1 second. Some agreement being there. Hello? அது நம்ம திரும்ப ரேட் எல்லாமே சொன்னாரு. லேண்ட் எவ்வளோ போகுது, கட்டணம் எவ்வளோ போகுதுன்னாரு. அப்புறம் நான் அதுக்கு ஒரு வேல்யூ சொன்னேன். சரி அதிகபட்சம் 60, அதுக்கு மேலே போக முடியாதுன்னு சொல்லிக்கிறேன். அப்படியே செக் பண்ணிக்கலாம், பார்த்துக்கலாம். சரி அப்படியே சொல்லிருங்க. கொடுங்க. அம்மா தான் சொல்லிச்சு 65 நம்பர் தான் அப்படியே சொல்றாங்க. எனக்கு ஏற்றிருக்கிறாங்க. பேசுங்க 65 பேசி பண்ணி முடிச்சுடுங்க சார். முடிச்சுடுங்க நீங்க பேசுங்க.
So in this, based on that, it will detect everything. So 4 and 5 and in order to get 13 kg, how many hands you need? That's called a grade. If you make it in 4 hands, 4 and only 5 hands. 4 hand, 5 hand is considered the premium quality. Reason is, let's say you are taking 13 kg of bunches. So for each weight, what for pack, like each hand will have average 2.1, 2.2 hand, which means fruits will be of big one, bananas will be of big size. Or if there was other fruits are, it's not a half hand, because sometimes what happens, hand comes there one side effect, there is the half. Just to ensure those things, so in market perception, that's a bigger grade. It is detecting those weight hands. So 4 hands same, 5 hands same, 6 hands same. That kind of thing. Later on this, later addition will be, because then we get to fit all the direction diseases. So we are seeing working on that. Basically, there is some defect, should not defect, if it is being tagged here. We crack that, again, say where we can throw and monitor. All those things These are easily for the procurement.
So, present, what is the challenges you are facing? I think
What regarding
this camera set.
this camera, you have to figure out because we tested. Now we have to concept. We need to test the ground. So in theory, here we check everything.
Yeah, correct.
Control environment. Now
Definitely.
we need to check the ground.
Okay.
Are working, not fine. 10 lines. Next week we are doing trial for everything. What is app and everything. So we want the template to go with full setup. Customer full setup there and that, and ensure we set based on that. Let's say if our things are successful, we get to know everything is perfectly fine. And what we can do is we can replicate the same thing.
The quality
Testing we need 10. One I already have.
then
9 more I will
further and
then I think right now 100 future scale goes up. So basically one line, one setup. One setup is what? One of this camera, one mobile phone, one that stand for everything, and the things and all we are aligning. So that stand and other things, most of these costs will be passed on to the vendor. So regarding whatever it is, most of this whatever cost will occur, this cost will be passed on to the vendor. Or maybe for mobile phone camera can do some sort of share, but mostly the displays are there. Cost will be passed on to the vendor.
but solar camera is not working.
Solar can work. Whatever solar are Chinese products with non-popular brands are available, in fact they are not able to get this technology. With this technology and everything is there, but unnecessary if I can put a 500 rupees extension cord, then why should I?
But here no technology is only is a live monitor.
Live and storage also.
Then what is the technology we need?
The technology camera which we are talking, integrating both. Those cameras start from 70,000. Those cameras also there. Like instead of this mobile phone, I can put that camera. That can be both capture and monitor. Those prices can start from 80,000 in India. That becomes more costly.
For the brand so
For this camera,
no that is mobile.
mobile phone.
But I know that is coming 70,000, 80,000.
No. I'm not 70,000 is not talking mobile. I'm talking camera.
Camera only.
Camera.
Which other brand takes no?
So only Hikvision have the technology. Hikvision and C+ have the technology. Generally don't sell that in India. So nobody uses that.
Which one? Pixel.
We also, I think our office is with that come with AI detection. I tell you, software is everything in house. What we are taking hardware. So with hardware we need certain camera 2 megapixel. Let's say you want to do that thing with camera over and put 50 megapixel. Basically you need a 50 megapixel camera. Nobody makes that.
But not record also. Even some camera with the 2 megapixel is almost equivalent to 50 megapixel of clarity. For that thing.
Seems like, but it's not like that. I'll tell you.
No, I tell you, say for example, we used to put Hikvision 5 megapixel camera. Then later on we converted the camera with the Active brand, American brand, which is 2 megapixel. Fair than Hikvision. Very limited cost they are paying for Hikvision, but actually something different. Per camera they are paying 36,000.
What happened? So one thing is megapixel. Along with what the resolution is capturing.
Yes.
So if I'm capturing let's say 5 megapixel HD, what else if I'm capturing 4 megapixel 2K?
And the FPS we need to check either 15
FPS need to a lot of things are there. This I need to go very deep.
bandwidth also matters.
Then those kind of CCTV cameras are not available. For that particular purpose I am talking that 50 megapixel is 4K resolution.
Also very cost effective.
I need to put some microprocessor inside that. I need to process the data in real time.
Correct.
It is not processed.
True.
And if I spend on backend for processing, then it can be also. So this is the thing. So right now we are planning to maybe we can get एक बार memory card 64 GB और 128 GB का cost और भेज दो. और when you can आपको tomorrow can have an offer, right? आज पॉसिबल है शाम को डेट बोलेंगे ठीक है मैं काम करता हूँ फोन पे कनेक्ट करा देता हूँ हाँ, शाम को भेज दूंगा कोर्स भेज दूंगा one camera along with second I talk to them so that inside we need to put SIM cards.
He will give it SIM card by tomorrow.
SIM card we need. Third thing, I'll discuss like after your meeting. After that we take a call. Do we need a memory card? We need to put memory card right now. We need to later right now.
No problem. Anytime if you know, we will do it.
For this there is a PT like request time memory card is not raised yet. 9 camera request time raised. Because at least that process we have to follow.
Camera come along with some SD card only. No,
camera
it is extra cost.
Extra cost.
Maybe just 500 rupees.
We'll see whatever the. So this camera also I have raised this query, no? For this 9 cameras. I have raised the query list because once the approval is done, then it will come to you. I think.
No.
Who are the procurement managers? I think from your team is Murad.